Good morning children. Today I am going to teach you all lesson 11 page number 73. Dreams of food. Please take out a book and get ready. Take out a engaging English book. Open to page number 73, lesson 11, Dreams of Food. It's actually a poem. Poem is written by Rehena Ali. Let me say two lines about the poet. Rehena Ali is a science teacher. Actually, Rehena Ali is, by profession, she is a science teacher. Where in a school in Lucknow. She writes stories and poetry for children. She, along with a teaching profession, she also writes poetry and stories mainly for children. In this poem, we will come across a wide variety of foods. Actually, this poem is about a girl who wants to have junk food. Okay, actually, junk food, by the term it's understood, it's actually unhealthy food. Okay, what are the examples of junk food? They are pizzas, burger, cold drinks, ice cream, all this we have. These are less nutritional value. Okay, nutrient value is very less and very poor, not good for our health, but they are very good for taste. They have fat, sugar and salt in them, so they are harmful for our health. Whereas healthy food, for example, dry fruits, we have almonds, raisins, cashew nuts, etc. All healthy fruits, all fruits, seasonal fruits we love to eat, all these. Then all green vegetables, these are all healthy food. They are actually low in fat and they have high value, nutrition value. Okay, now I come to the poem. Ice, lollies and lemonade, crunchy potato chips, creamy pineapple cake, they make me lick my lip. Poet is telling about a girl who is very fond of eating junk foods. Like your children also love to eat junk food. Often you all eat eat kurkure, lays. These are not good for health. Okay, we teachers, we tell you all in tiffin that to bring chapati and sabji, vegetables, but you all do not listen. Instead, you all also fond of eating so much rich food that you all bring kurkures packet, lays packet and all this burger, pizzas, all this. Okay, see, so in the first stanza we are coming across so many foods. Ice lollies is actually ice candies. Okay, different types of foods are introduced. In sticks, those ice creams are there, no, those are called ice lollies. Lemonade means a drink made of lemon, water, ice mixed together. Crunchy potato chips, you often eat Lays, bingo, this and that. Creamy pineapple cakes also you'll have. All hearing all these names, the girl is licking her lips. Licking her lips means like this way, licking her lips. Foods are so tasteful in the tongue, yummy foods. Now second stanza, but mummy serves me porridge and says, now eat it all. She says a daily glass of milk will make me strong and tall. But mummy is against all this food because those are unhealthy foods. She is fond of serving her child with porridge and a glass of milk. Glass of milk will make a child strong as well as tall. And porridge is actually oats. We have no oats. We make khichdi out of oats, then we this thing with milk, these have no fat actually, and these are cooked with milk and water, and sometimes like khichdi also we make this oats. These are good for our health, fibrous food. Okay, the second paragraph, we came across the healthy food what mummy insists us to eat. Okay, now third stanza, vegetables and salad for lunch. I nibble bit by bit. Mummy says that dal and soups will keep me healthy and fit. What happened? Vegetables and salads for lunch. The girl doesn't like to eat vegetables and salads for lunch. Those are good for her health. Those are healthy food. She dislikes all those, and she eats taking small bite. Nibble means taking small bite of that food because she doesn't like the food. Mummy says that dal and soup, we should always eat dal, musur dal. It's very good for our health, and soups also. They will keep us healthy, our body healthy as well as fit. But if I could have a mango shake instead, or a plate piled high with French fries or crispy golden jellybes, it would be so very nice. The girl is telling, instead of all these dal, soup, salad and vegetables, if I was given a mango shake, a glass of mango shake, or a plate full of French potato fries, okay, or crispy golden jellybes, okay, they would be very nice. That would be great. That would be very fine. Golden jellybes, French fries, those are crunchy and dry. Okay, and it would be very nice. The day would be very great, and it would be very nice for me also to eat. I would have eaten fast that food. Very nice poem. So we come across a lots of number of food. Please, all of you children, read the poetry loudly many times. Learn the full poem by heart. Write the full poem in your copy, and as well as the meanings also of the poem. Roman number 2, you will write all the meanings of the poem. Okay, and antonyms I shall send in WhatsApp. You don't have to worry. You will copy down in your lit copy. Please write down second term, then you start your work. For your kind information, don't forget, please write down second term, then you start your work. Write neatly and very nice handwriting. Okay, have a great day and a very nice time, all of you. Thank you, children.